The new Tiny 11 25H2 V6 comes with no pre-installed apps. It uses just 7 gigabytes of disk space, while still keeping the Microsoft Store, Windows Update, Defender, and all key modern features fully working. I'm Neil from Apidus. Let's get started. To begin the installation, you will need the new Tiny 11 Creator, which I personally developed. I'll show you exactly how it works in this video, but for now we'll focus on getting the system installed. I recommend watching the entire video carefully before attempting the process so you understand every step and avoid mistakes. At the end, I also have a special gift for those of you who stick around until the finish, so make sure you keep watching. Inside the Tiny 11 Creator, all you need to do is click on the Build button. I designed the interface to be as simple and straightforward as possible so anyone can use it without confusion. The Creator will automatically prepare the setup package for you. Please ensure that your PC is connected to the internet during this stage, since the tool needs to download and apply the latest set of tweaks directly. Once the build process is complete, the next step is to use Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. With that, you'll be ready to install Tiny 11 on your system. Make sure your USB drive is at least 8 gigabytes in size, completely empty, and contains no important files, because everything on it will be erased during this process. Alternatively, you can use Zeno to install Tiny 11 directly without creating a bootable USB. Creating the bootable USB typically takes 10 to 15 minutes. When it's done, boot from the USB. I've simplified this process compared to standard Windows 11 installation. No forced Microsoft accounts, no TPM or secure boot checks. You have full control over your PC. The system will boot straight to the partition window, where you can create, edit, or delete partitions. Be very careful not to delete any partitions containing important data. Double check before proceeding. Once ready, click. Next, to start the installation. For users who want to convert their existing Windows installation into Tiny 11 without a full reinstall, my app Velotic is the recommended solution. Velotic is built for people who demand performance. It doesn't just raise FPS, it optimizes your entire PC. CPU and GPU settings are tuned automatically, junk files are removed the moment they appear, and hidden slowdowns are fixed in real time. With 500 plus advanced tweaks, you control every part of your system. Debloat Windows in one click, install apps instantly, unlock hidden hardware features, and manage power plans for maximum speed. Even storage issues are solved. Velotic compresses files safely, freeing up to 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick hack or a free cleaner. Velotic has been engineered over 3 years, tested by thousands, and updated constantly. At just $19.99, it's a one-time purchase that pays itself back every time your PC runs faster, smoother, and cleaner. If you want your system to run at full potential without effort, Velotic delivers. Once the installation is complete, Tiny 11 will boot straight to the desktop. There are no forced updates, no ads, no unnecessary permissions, and no bloat. Just a clean, fast system. Some of you may be unclear about Zeno and Velotic. Zeno is a lightweight utility that installs Tiny 11 onto another drive. Using Zeno means your current data is not retained. You'll need to copy everything over manually. Velotic, on the other hand, lets you convert your existing Windows installation into Tiny 11. Keeping your files intact while optimizing your system. Once you're on the Tiny 11 desktop, the first step is to open the Configure app and click Enable under Compression. This will compress your drive and save up to 40% of storage. It's not mandatory, but it's essential if you want the smallest possible footprint. The process typically takes 20 minutes to an hour. When it finishes, check your disk usage. It should be around 7 gigabytes if you haven't installed anything else. This is the latest 25H2 build, which includes all updates, Defender, and the Microsoft Store. I'll also release a smaller light version next week for those who want an even leaner experience. To get connected to the internet, you'll need a browser. Open the Configure app and click on Chrome. If you prefer a different browser, you can choose Edge, Opera, or Firefox instead. I'm curious which browser you use and why, so let me know in the comments. Once your browser is set up, take a moment to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I've also added links to my channel directly inside the Configure app, so you can visit anytime if you have questions or want more guides. For help or to chat with the community, the best place is my Discord server. Whether you need installation support or a sneak peek at upcoming builds, join the server to connect with me and other users. Please avoid asking support questions in the YouTube comments. Without screenshots, it's hard to troubleshoot, and many comments get flagged as spam. For proper support, always use the Discord server where issues can be addressed correctly. To get connected to the internet, you'll need a browser. Open the Configure app and click on Chrome. If you prefer a different browser, you can choose Edge, Opera, or Firefox instead. I'm curious which browser you use and why, so let me know in the comments. Once your browser is set up, take a moment to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I've also added links to my channel directly inside the Configure app, so you can visit anytime if you have questions or want more guides. For help or to chat with the community, the best place is my Discord server. Whether you need installation support or a sneak peek at upcoming builds, join the server to connect with me and other users. Please avoid asking support questions in the YouTube comments. Without screenshots, it's hard to troubleshoot, and many comments get flagged as spam. For proper support, always use the Discord server where issues can be addressed correctly. You can find the purchase link for Tiny 1125 H2 V6 in the video description. As promised, here's a gift for loyal viewers. Enter the coupon code APIDUS100 at checkout for a big discount. Once your purchase is confirmed, click Go to Your Items to access the Creator tool. The coupon is valid in selected regions, but Velotic users worldwide get free access to Tiny 11 and all future builds. Support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing. This is Apidus, signing off.